If you're looking for a different kind of brunch buffet experience, then this video is for you. Recently, we went to Amari Hotel to try out the Weekend Brunch Buffet, which focuses on kids' activities too, such as puppet show, movie, face painting, art competition, a specific zone for the kids, cupcake decoration corner, so I had to check it out. So I also decorated a cupcake and I made sure my husband to eat it. I put so much cream that he could not even eat it. After this, I joined the kids to do a face painting on my cheeks. Following that, we started our food. They had live stations such as a different pasta corner, then also live egg corner where you can get variety of egg options. There was a waffle corner too. So after taking the food, we started eating one by one, and I must say that the food items we took, all of them were very good. They had varieties of corner such as Indian corner, Thai corner, fruits corner, kebab corner, dim sum corner, and also we enjoyed some magic. After watching different kind of tricks and magic, we decided to finish our brunch buffet with some delicious ice cream. Thank you.